Good day everyone. My name is Dorlan G. Makatuman,
And I am Kabansag Justin Xavier.
and we are going to represent our topic for today, the crafting our online identity, the digital self in the modern world. In our generation, it's almost impossible to imagine life without the internet. Every day, we scroll, post, react, and share. We communicate through social media platforms that have become a big part of who we are.
But have you ever thought about how your identity, the version of yourself that you show on the internet, can be different from who you really are? Go.
In this presentation, we'll talk about how we build our digital selves, the problems that come with it, and what we can do to stay authentic in the online world.
The main issue we want to focus on is the pressure to create a perfect online image. Many people only show the best parts of their lives online, their happiest moments, their most flattering photos, or their biggest achievements. But behind the screen, there might be struggles, sadness, insecurities, and others never seen before. Go.
This pressure to appear perfect online has become a real social issue. It affects how we think, how we feel, and even how we see ourselves. Causes and supporting evidence. Let's now talk about the causes of this issue, supported by real evidence. First, one of the main causes is the social media algorithms. These platforms are designed to show us content that gets the most engagement, posts with a lot of likes, share and comments. Because of that, users start posting content that will attract attention rather what's real. For example, people might use filters, edit photos, or post only highlights of their lives just to get more reactions. The system rewards popularity, not authenticity. So over time, people begin to believe that they must always look perfect or exciting online. Second, peer influence.